Hello, my name is Anne, and this is episode number 6 of a Tobyknits Flosstube. And this is an exciting episode because I'm not actually going to show you any of my works in progress today. I'm going to show you how I finished my Snow Globe Winter by Stitchin With the Housewives. So check this out. I'm going to show you how to finish this to look like this. So I can change them out. So what I need is some batting, because I want to give it a scrunchy, nice feel. This is 5 by 5 and it's foam core board. I think I got this at the dollar shop. And then I cut another piece that is 6 by 6. Oh, there it is. Foam board. So this is what I have to use. So that's 6 by 6. That's 5 by 5. This is cut to go there. So it's about 6 by 6 too. I have a piece of fabric, which is just some pretty wintry, snowy fabric. And I also have these. Now, these I got years and years ago, and they are magnets that go, when I made buttons, they go on a button. So this is what these are. So I don't know if you can get them, but that's all you need. You need something that is going to be a magnet. And of course you need your glue gun. So first thing I'm going to do is to glue this onto here, straight on. I'm not going to bother with anything. So I'm just going to turn it over, and I'm going to put some hot glue here and here and here and here. And then just fold this over. Oh, it's not going to meet. I've got a little thing to put on here so that I cannot burn my finger. Hold that down. I probably should have made this a little bit bigger, but this is a silicone thimble thing. I think I got it in a Sew Sampler box or something. So that's that. And then I'm just gonna hot glue down here, 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 and here. It's back on. Flip this over. So there. So there's that, and we'll let that dry. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same with this, but I'm going to put the, on this side, the foam, on that side. Like that. And then this piece of fabric will go over. And so we'll turn that over. And I'm going to glue this down on this side. down on this side. Just give it a bit of a tug to make sure it's on there. And then I'm going to fold the corners like you would a gift. And then bring this over like that. Ouch. Where's my little silicone thumb? Do the same on this side. I'm just going to trim that edge, make it a little bit nicer, like that. Bit of glue under there, hold that down, bit of glue under there. Just any loose ends, just stick a bit of glue under, just to make sure it stays on. Yeah, it does work better on your finger, but going to work like that. So that's that. Then I'm going to take two of these little magnets, and I'm gluing them both to each other just to make it a bit thicker, like that. And then this comes off and will go in the middle there. Like that. Turn it over. Then we're just going to glue the back of this. Get our corners. Whoops. And then this will go on in the middle. Push it down. It's not perfect, but it suits me. And then I take this, and that now will go on my wall. Thanks for watching.